Embrace the winter chill, the nutritional power of oats for a healthier season. As the winter chill sets in, the need for nutritious, warming foods becomes paramount. Among the myriad of options available, oats emerge as a powerhouse grain that not only provides comfort, but also a host of health benefits. Packed with essential nutrients, oats offer a delicious way to stay energized and healthy during the colder months. Here's a deeper look at why oats should be a staple in your winter diet, and how they can contribute to your overall well-being. 1. Keeps you warm and energized. Oats are renowned for their rich content of complex carbohydrates, which are known for their slow-release energy properties. This means that a bowl of oatmeal can keep you fueled throughout the day, providing the warmth and energy necessary to tackle daily tasks. Especially comforting on a cold morning, oatmeal serves as a nourishing start that can power your body efficiently. The sustained energy release helps prevent the mid-morning slump, making oats an ideal choice for those chilly winter days. 2. Boosts immunity. With the winter season comes an increased risk of colds and flu, making a robust immune system crucial. Oats contain beta-glucans, a type of soluble fiber that enhances immune response by activating infection-fighting cells. By incorporating oats into your diet, you can bolster your body's defenses against seasonal illnesses. The immune-boosting properties of oats make them not just a delicious choice, but also a strategic one for maintaining health during the winter months. 3. Supports heart health. Heart health is particularly important during the winter, as colder weather can exacerbate existing heart conditions. Oats are rich in soluble fiber, especially beta-glucan, which has been shown to lower levels of low-density lipoprotein, LDL, cholesterol, the bad cholesterol. Regular consumption of oats can significantly reduce the risk of heart-related issues, making them an essential addition to a heart-healthy diet. By including oats in your meals, you contribute to better cardiovascular health, protecting yourself during the season when heart problems may be more prevalent. 4. Aids digestion. With winter often bringing heavier meals and reduced water intake, digestive health can sometimes take a backseat. Oats are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and prevents issues like constipation. The fiber content in oats helps maintain a well-functioning gut, ensuring that your digestive system remains happy and healthy even during the indulgent holiday season. By incorporating oats into your winter diet, you can support your digestive health and feel comfortable throughout the day. 5. Helps in weight management. For those looking to manage their weight during the holiday season, oats are an ideal choice. They are filling, yet low in calories, making them a perfect option for curbing hunger without the extra calories. The fiber in oats helps you feel full for a longer time, reducing the likelihood of overeating or snacking on unhealthy foods. Whether you're enjoying a warm bowl of oatmeal or adding oats to recipes, they can aid in maintaining a balanced diet during the winter months. 6. Versatile and easy to prepare. One of the best features of oats is their versatility. They can be easily integrated into a variety of dishes, making them a convenient choice for winter meals. You can prepare them as a warm porridge topped with seasonal fruits, nuts, and spices like cinnamon for added flavor and nutrition. Oats can also be used as a thickening agent in rich soups or stews, or they can be baked into delicious granola bars or cookies for a healthy snack. This adaptability ensures that oats can suit a wide range of tastes and preferences, all while delivering the same nutritional benefits. How to enjoy oats in winter. To fully embrace the benefits of oats this winter, consider trying out some creative and hearty recipes. Warm oatmeal bowl. Prepare a comforting bowl of oatmeal with seasonal fruits like apples or pears, a sprinkle of nuts, and a dash of cinnamon for a nutritious breakfast. Oat-based soups and stews. Use oats as a thickening agent in your favorite winter soups and stews, adding both texture and nutrition. Baked treats. Bake oat-based granola bars or cookies for a healthy winter snack that can be enjoyed by the whole family. As winter brings its cold embrace, now is the perfect time to incorporate oats into your diet. These nutritional powerhouses not only provide warmth and energy, but also boost immunity, support heart health, aid digestion, and assist in weight management. With their versatility and ease of preparation, oats can be transformed into a variety of delicious meals and snacks. So, grab a bowl of oats and enjoy the health benefits they bring while staying cozy and satisfied this winter.